Hey guys, Cancun Nicole here. Going to give you a quick tour of Penthouse 2A. It's one of 3 penthouses that we have here in Cancun. We are located right on the beach in the hotel zone. I'll give you a quick tour. This is your view. Step outside, view of a gorgeous beach. Unbelievable views and sand. Water looks gorgeous today. Also located right next to the Forum and Copacabana Beach Club, shopping, walking distance to over 30 plus restaurants. This unit sleeps 6 people. Check my website, cancunnicole.com, for pricing and availability. On the downstairs floor, we have a king size bed. We have a small kitchen with a stovetop, mini fridge. This fridge, in fact, will hold a case of beer. We have everything to make small meals: toaster, coffee maker, utensils, cups, plates, just your essentials to keep you going through the trip. Downstairs, we also have a full-size bathroom. Nice size, full-length mirror for the ladies. Sink, shower. So this unit is 700 square feet. Again, sleeps 6 people. Prices range from $275 to $320 depending on the availability and the time of year. I'll take you upstairs. I'll point out that we have these privacy doors when you're up there, so you have a little bit of separation from the 2 rooms. Up here sleeps 4 people, 2 queen size beds. Again, the doors. You've got also from here a view of the lagoon and the city, which is nice. Got your lavatory, your bathroom. That's about it, guys. Check my website, cancunnicole.com, for pricing availability. See you later.